In this video I will be showing you one of the biggest airdrop opportunities in 2024. Participation is completely free, it only takes about 5 minutes to set up, and you could earn up to $10,000 when it goes live in late March 2024.
Oh my god! Wow!
Let's get this crypto. Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. If you have been following my Telegram group, link is down in the description. You probably have noticed that I have been getting huge airdrops from a lot of different projects like Chain, Storknet, I got 500 tokens from there. Next, I almost got $200 worth of tokens. Dog, the NFT, which I also bought some more of, and I'm up like 30% today. And of course, I'm also a huge Notcoin addict. Keep on tapping, guys. You already know every day I'm tapping till my fingers are bleeding. You can learn more about these airdrops by subscribing or joining my Telegram group, but we're not here to talk about those airdrops. Today we are talking about one of my favorite and highest opportunity airdrops in crypto as of now, and it's of course called GetGrass. Source of passive income these days. So what if I told you all it took was an internet connection? Like most people, you probably use a fraction of the internet bandwidth that you pay for each month, and now you can sell ports you don't use with Grass, an innovative solution that transforms your idle internet connection into a profitable resource. Let's get this crypto. But Holger, how does it work? Well, let me explain it to you, little Timmy. Grass is what's known as a residential proxy network, where vetted institutions and Fortune 500 companies can rent idle internet connection to access the web. You see, every time you connect the internet, you provide a unique location-based perspective. This perspective is essential for companies trying to better understand the web, and this is what Grass monetizes for you. Grass is an underlying infrastructure that powers AI models. By installing the Grass web extension, the application will automatically sell your unused internet to AI companies who use it to scrape the internet and train their models. The results? You share in growth of AI, earning a stake in the network for selling a resource you didn't even know you had. So, how is GetGrass generating revenue for the company and for you, the user? So, consider a company, let's call it company A, wants to sell a stereo at the lowest price. To do this, they need to know what their competitor is charging at company B. So using Grass, company A looks at company B's website to check out their price and then offers an even better price to their customers. By providing this service, your internet connection can become a source of passive income, turning an idle resource into an active asset. The more your computer stays connected and the more friends you refer, the more rewards multiply. So let's start earning some goddamn grass. Okay, so before I show you how to sign up and all of that good stuff, I just quickly want to give you some more alpha about grass because yeah, I want to show you why I am so bullish about this project. So first of all, as you can read from the article, Grass raised $3.5 million in their seed round to become the data layer of AI. Grass has announced the successful completion of a $3.5 million seed round led by Polychain Capital and Tribe Capital. The seed round brings the company's total funding to $4.5 million after a pre-seed round led by No Limits Holding. And this month, GetGrass also partnered up with Alignment Lab, who now uses the network to train powerful and open source LLMs. All of the investing companies has gone through a rigorous vetting process. With projects like these, security is of the highest priority, and that is why GetGrass does not store or collect any of your personal data. Think of it as renting out your driveway space as a parking spot. People can access your driveway, but they cannot access your home.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
If that makes sense. Okay, so now for the fun part. How do I set it up and start earning grass points? Okay. So as of right now, the only way to join GetGrass is by being invited. And hey, lucky for you, I got an invite link in the description box down below, so you can click that if you want to start earning some grass points, and it helps out the channel a lot. By clicking the link in the description, you will be taken to this sign up page where all you need to do is just put in your email, select a username, write a password, agree to the terms and conditions, and register. After registering, you should see a dashboard like this. Now, as you can see, we don't have any points or anything, so to start earning, you have to click on the connect button here, which will take you to the Grass extension. Now, as I already have the extension, I cannot install it again, but it should only take about half a minute to download it and install it.
Yeah, boy.
And this is what the extension looks like. You can see I'm connected. Network quality 75. I can open my dashboard by clicking this, and it takes me to my Grass dashboard. So as you can see, the longer you are connected, the more points you earn. You can also earn bonus points.
Oh my god! Wow!
Which I have here. You can see I got 138 points from referrals and 150 points from rank achievements. So what this is if we go to rewards, you can see I will need 5,810 points to get the gold tier, and then I can claim an additional 565 points. Or I can try to get 17 referrals and it will unlock the gold tier. Right now I'm on silver, about halfway to gold. Shouldn't take long to get there, especially now that I upgraded my internet.
Hey!
And as you can see, I got 2 referrals. One of them is a friend. I went over to his house and set it up for him, and the other one is just a test account. Okay, but when token? So yeah, GetGrass is already available on the Solana phone, and should be available in the Google Play Store very soon. I think they will also be releasing it on the App Store. And the Grass Airdrop has been confirmed for March 2024. The cost to participate is of course $0. All you need to do is just rack up as many points as you can, invite your friends, so on and so forth, and the potential profits are $550 up to $15,000 in airdrops to individual users.
Oh my god! Wow!
Which is absolutely insane. Crypto is amazing. And yeah, the snapshot has not even been taken yet, so you still have time. If you're watching this video, take action. You just got to take action now! I know so many of you have missed out on major airdrops, so please don't miss out on yet another airdrop this year.
Okay.
Go get yourself some grass. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I wanna thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. If you got any questions, feel free to write them in the comment section down below or ask them in my Telegram group. Otherwise, I want to thank you again, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.